Good morning and welcome back to the channel. And we're out this morning and it's actually stopped raining for a change. So we've come out. This never happens. Literally first signal came over at 13 and it looks like that's an hammer sticking out the ground. I have no idea what. That's Elizabeth. Nice portrait. That does have a date, I think. It's a bit worn out to make out what it is. So that would make it a 3p, I think. But the portrait's good. Very nice. Right, let's hope this is going to be a good day. Can't beat these Equinoxes. Brilliant machines. Okay, catch you in a bit. Next up, very deep. This drawer handle. I've got the standard Equinox coil on today, but I really think I should have put the 15-inch Coiltech coil on, because I think there'll be some deep stuff in here. Right, let's carry on. Well, I'm having one of them days today. Just turn the clod over. Can you see it? Another hammered. What is it? Let's unreveal it together. There's another. See the date? 1580. It's got to be another Lizzie. Another Lizzie 3p. Awesome. A little bit worn, but portrait's quite good. You see the date this time. Get these cleaned up for you. And that came over at 16 this time. Okay, let's crack on. Next up, came in at 7. I think it's a little watch winder, like a pocket watch. Find quite a few of these, different shapes and designs. Some of them are quite nice. I'll tell you what, we've had naught but rain in Cumbria. Most of the fields are flooded out, but come to a bit of a higher ground now, because a lot of it you can see over there, it's just absolutely flooded. We've got a bit of a break in the weather at the moment, but it's due to, the rain is due to continue for the next couple of days, I think. Right, okay, carry on. I've just had this cartwheel penny, some weight in that. It's very corroded though, you're not getting any detail off that. Since I found my hammered, it's been button fest. A few buttons. We'll have to carry on, see if there's anything else. Just had a bit of lead, and my hole's filling up with water already, turning into a very wet day. Okay, I don't know how long we'll be at lasting this, but give it a go. Well, I've just had a 14. This little hammer's just popped out. It's that wet. It's too wet to get my phone out of my pocket. I think we're going through a bit of a storm here. Right, it's a little hammered. I've no idea what it is. It's bent. Let's see if we can get some detail up on it when we get home. Okay. Just had this up at 17. Looks like a snake buckle. It's that muddy, I can't really get any detail off here, so we'll clean that one up and show you that when we get home. Only metal detectorists mad enough to go out in this weather. Right, okay. Well, it's just stopped raining, now I'm wet through. And I just had a 21. And it's a love token. I don't know what, because it's too bloody muddy. Looks like it's possibly another William the Third. We'll clean it up. We'll show you everything when we get home. But yeah, it's nearing the end of the day, and it's actually stopped raining, which has been sat out in it all day. Right, okay, we'll post up if we get anything else. Right, well, we're back home now, and that weather has been absolutely horrendous. It's been raining for a week. Most of the fields have flooded out, and we were absolutely soaking wet. But I'm glad I went out because we had a really good day. And I've got a couple of finds on here that weren't on the video because they were absolutely covered in that much mud. These two I thought were bits of lead. I thought that was a lead bullet, but it's actually a bit of silver. Maybe it end off a walking cane, or maybe even a pencil topper. Probably Victorian. And then we got this, which is a little bronze medieval coin weight. So that would have been a weight of a coin. There's no inscription on there, but you can just make out an outline. So I don't know what that would have been for. But it's a medieval coin weight. And then we got this snake buckle. You couldn't really see on the video because it was absolutely mud up. And I think that's possibly Victorian Army. And then this is my little bent hammer that I straightened. And that's a Charles I half groat. You can make out, there you go. Get it in focus. There you go. Then a couple of Elizabeths. Like I say, don't normally get days like these, but get it in focus for you. One of them you can't make out the date. 1580. And there's this one, which slightly, that's the one you can't make out the date on, it's slightly worn on that side. But still good. And then we had a William love token, which is 1696. That's William the Third, that's that way up actually, you see the date. There you go. Camera's playing up in here because it's very dark with it being a bad day. Okay, so that's it. Really good day. Right, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll catch you all next time. Bye for now.